Welcome to All Around Auto Techs and the DIY channel. 2015 Mercedes GLA250 thermostat and also fuel injectors. To start with, you want to take the battery post off, both of them, 10 millimeter, and you want to get this air cleaner assembly out of the way. And so basically you just take this, and these go in here. This one seems to have broken off, but you see where it goes here and here, and it comes up, and then you can get to here. You want to put a drain pan down there, hose clamp, that's the hose. Take it off, let it drain. You want to take this off. Another one here, it's a 10 inverted. Unclip your wires here, and then you're going to get 4 of these. One, you can't really see it, but you're going to need to get to those. You're going to need to unclip this. All your electric wires, move them out of the way because your thermostat's back there. Okay, and this has to come off intake. So we will come back.